go out and shop for some urgent stuff, because from tomorrow on we're going to have a JANTA curfew, and that will be for 6 days, because I've already done my monthly grocery shopping. It's just a few items here and there, and that should take care of this period now. It's turning out to be a rainy day again, as usual. The last week or so it's been nice and sunny in the morning, and then in the evening it starts raining and pouring literally. Let's see what's in store. बारिश शुरू हो रहा है, भागो अंदर. It's getting windy now. Look at the sky though. It's so beautiful. आज मौसी का क्या काम चल रहा है? गुड मॉर्निंग मौसी. क्या बना रहे हैं? Aloo parathas with dahi for lunch. In my dahi, I have what? Rock salt and alsi powder. What do you call it in English actually? Rock salt. And we're back into curfew from tomorrow onwards. And I just went out onto the internal road to buy a few things, and one of the internal lanes within the road, I saw the containment board out there. Also scary stuff. We're getting a lot of positive cases over here. Pune City itself is leading in the numbers. Not a good thing to be leading in. People, take care, stay safe, everybody. That's one thing. Stay at home, and if you need to go out, if you absolutely have to step out, go to work, take all precautions. Wear a mask because you have to, absolutely. That is something you can't avoid really in this time. But the most important thing is really to keep cleaning your hands. Every time you want to touch your face, make sure that your hands are clean. Just go into the washroom, wash your hands with soap and water, or a hand sanitizer if you cannot reach water and soap. Okay, bhashan time over. Now that my gardener is here today, he's working first on my garden, cleaning up my backyard. Let me show you the garden being cleaned up. It's just so uneven still. See these holes? I don't know क्या क्या आता है इधर गार्डन में. नागेश, अरे वाह, वाओ. ये सब टमाटर है ना पूरा. वो अंजीर का झाड़ में एक पत्ते के अंदर कोई पक्षी ने बना दिया था घर. वो अभी नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को. उसका पत्ता, नीचे का पत्ता था एक, वो नहीं दिख रहा है. लगता है वो बच्चा होके गया. Ow, my hair is stuck in the bougainvillea. ये bougainvillea को भी कटिंग करना पड़ेगा. ये सब घास निकालने का ना इधर में. और okay. You know this stuff here, this spray grass, this thing here. बारिश शुरू हो रहा है, भागो अंदर. That grass, as a kid, I used to spray paint it. Oh my, okay, there's a shower. अरे that's it, a sudden shower. Oh boy. They're running with the clothes. Okay, a bulk of the cleanup work is already done over here. You see that last bed over there? That was like filled up completely with the tall grass. all that's gone. This side, let me see here. Ow! This side is all cleaned up. Good. I think the hibiscus plant there, we need to remove the bottom branches from there just to be on the safe side. Look at the compost pile over there. How much of grass added on to the compost pit. Oi, oi, oi. Okay. Lots of water pouring down suddenly. There's another waterfall. That's okay. That gutter is giving way. How old is this now? I don't even remember. 5-6 years at least. इतना पानी भर गया. इतने में गार्डन में देखो कैसा पानी भर गया. My God. Look at this, man. Just a few minutes ago I walked this path here and now it's all waterlogged. Up there on the terrace up there too. And it's already flooding. ये रोज अभी ऐसा इतना पानी भर जाता है. इससे भी ज़्यादा डबल ट्रिपल भर जाता है पानी. नागेश, ये पॉट में ना, ये वाला पॉट जो है, इसके अंदर ये है अदरक. हाँ, थोड़ा उसको खोल के देखो ना, आ गया है क्या? Okay, it's stopping already. But the sad part is this year, because of the lockdown, because my gardener's not been able to come for, not enough times to do the work as such, to complete the jobs really. And I haven't had enough time to spare for the garden also. I haven't been able to sow the seeds. I've just been able to put in, I think it's carrots. Now I'm not too sure if it looks like carrots or something else. I have to check that out again now. No. But I've got a lot more seeds that I need to put in. Let's see if we can do it now that we've got it cleaned up. If we can do it today itself, I'm going to put in most of the seeds also. I'll get Nagesh to do that also with me actually. Look, see this here. It's still not working. It doesn't bend any way, just this. Wow. आ गया मौसी. हाँ इतना बाप रे, हॉर्न बजा के आ रहा है पूरा. मौसी का गाड़ी आ गया. चलो बाय मौसी. हाँ, वो सो रहे हैं अभी. तू 6 दिन के बाद मिलेंगे. 6 दिन के बाद. हेमा चली आगे, लीडिंग अस. हेमा द लीडर. चलो चलो. ओए, चलो भाई. Meeting up neighbors. Hi. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Alright, just saw a couple of my neighbors out doing their errands. Somebody in the front garden, somebody cleaning up the bikes, and Pema here checking out. कौन आया था? Pema? This is their Facebook wall. Okay, Pema finished checking out. She actually stood up to check there. Now, Lasya. Chalo. Lassie. Chalo. Arey baap re. Khaddas hai. Oh, great. Lassie's come to check the wall now. Looks like somebody did leave a message for them. Some doggy did leave a message for them. Okay, there are too many khaddas over here. I'm literally falling into khaddas. But this is what makes my walk over here more of a workout, really. Prema, wait there. Okay, Prema pulling on this side here and Lassie pulling on that side. That's the story of my life always with the babies. Lhasa Apsos, I've had these babies since now, 14 years? Yep, Simba being the first. What happened, Pema? Come here. Come here, Pema. We're not going out anywhere. Lassie, hurry up. So, yeah. 14 years as a pet parent. I can't imagine life differently now anymore. I mean, at that point of time, I knew that I had to make, an educated choice that I may not be able to travel anywhere anymore. Because I used to travel so much before then, especially with my archaeology. And then even after I finished my PhD also, I did travel a few times for holidays within India. Lovely places, Kerala, Rajasthan, but no more. It's getting windy now. Look at the sky though, it's so beautiful.